this year we worked with the Delhi government and
Okay.
delivered corona testing mobile clinics.
Yeah.
So we delivered them an artificial intelligence enabled corona testing mobile clinic,
Wow.
which could go to the doorsteps of people and conduct free testings for the people.
Wow. People say that your passion can take you to places. You have already proven that fact true because through the dint of your passion for social entrepreneurship, you got admitted into Stanford University. Tell me, how did that happen? And how has that journey been like? How have you evolved as a person being admitted to such an eclectic and prestigious school of the whole world? Over to you.
Right, Taiba. So I think I will first of all take this moment to clear certain misconceptions that people might have about good colleges such as Stanford or Ivy League. By the way, Stanford is not Ivy League. People think that it's Ivy, but it's not
Yeah,
Ivy
yeah.
League. So
Yeah.
anyway, but it's equally good.
Yeah.
So there are certain misconceptions when it comes to getting into these colleges. Number one, that when you explore the number of courses that these institutions are offering, they are huge.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have one fine day to check out the kind of courses that they have, they are very specialized courses for specialized people who are looking for some specialization.
Yeah.
Now there are general courses like, of course, engineering and MBA, which is very famous in India.
Yeah, yeah.
So I never wanted to do a formal MBA. I never wanted to do that.
Yeah.
I've always believed in specialized education. I'm a firm believer that you should specialize in one field, and of course the rest will follow. So I really wanted to be yes, I wanted to get good education, of course, and but I wanted to do it in a specialized manner. I wanted to get a specialized education. So I never thought that I would be going for MBA or MTech for that matter. So I started looking for a lot of courses which were directly in sync with my organization, which would not just help me but my organization. So my objective was very clear. It's not that I want to go there and I want to settle there forever. I wanted to study and I wanted to be here and work with my organization and I wanted to grow that. So I started looking for opportunities since last year. Okay. So last year also I had applied to several colleges, but last year I didn't get Stanford or any other college. This year, what had happened that I think two things worked in my favor, first of all, and I think I am very openly admitting it, that this year the number of applications were very less. I mean, they were, of course, there are no official figures, but as per my research, the number of applications were 50% less this year due to COVID. Okay, so I mean, that was probably one good factor that worked for me. Yeah. Second thing, this year we worked with the Delhi government and delivered corona testing mobile clinics. So in this, what had happened that when the entire nation was in a state of lockdown, the government was looking for some solution through which they could increase the number of testings. So we delivered them an artificial intelligence enabled corona testing mobile clinic, which could go to the doorsteps of people and conduct free testings for the people. So that project was very much appreciated. It was flagged off by Honorable Chief Secretary of Delhi, and it won a lot of awards. And of course, I mean, I got a lot of appreciation, personal appreciation letters for the organization as well. And personally, I even got that. When these type of projects, when you are doing something related to entrepreneurship or innovation in all these colleges, they look into these kind of projects. So what different that you have done? So this year, this project was there with me. And I mean, this was a problem which the whole world was facing. And I think maybe I was one of those people who actually fought, who actually worked to fight this pandemic. So I think that these two things really worked in my favor, and I'm just grateful for that.
Wow. Still, I mean, there could have been people who could have applied, but it takes a lot of courage to apply to these colleges. And then since you're making a mark through your entrepreneurship endeavors, it is because of that you got admission. You truly deserve it. There's no doubt about it.